How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote not working. Now, obviously, the first thing that you want to do is to actually replace the battery itself with an alkaline battery. Now, this will secure a smooth working connection between the battery and the ceiling fan. From there, we then want to try to power cycle the fan itself. Now turn off the fan's power at the wall switch or the main circuit breaker. Wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds, then turn it back on. From there, we want to resync within 30 seconds of turning the power back on. Press and hold both the fan off and the fan high buttons on, or the learn button if your model has one located on the remote or receiver right here. Now, right after, it will then go ahead and be paired once again with the fan and with the remote. And if that didn't work, we could try replacing the receiver or the remote itself. If you have tried the steps that I've previously mentioned and the remote still did not respond or no indicator lights turned on, it's either the remote is dead or the receiver inside of the fan canopy has failed. So it's either one of these problems right here. You can purchase a universal Harbor Breeze remote and receiver replacement kit at hardware stores like Lowe's. Now, for installation, you will need to turn off the main breaker, remove the canopy, and wire the new receiver into the existing ceiling connections. And if you're just pairing it with the new remote, it's as easy as replacing the batteries, and it will automatically be paired because, once again, it's a universal replacement. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.